Hello, welcome back in this tutorial series of Fusion 360. Today we'll create such kind of component with the help of various commands available in Fusion 360. For creating such kind of component, first we will draw a circle of 40 mm diameter, then we will draw an arc of 80 mm diameter, then we will draw one more circle of 10 mm diameter, then we will draw an arc of 20 mm radius. Here I'm closing this window and go to Fusion 360 interface. So one by one I will do all the steps. Go to create sketch, select the plane. From here, we will select this one, draw a circle of 40 mm diameter, then one more circle of 80 mm. Similarly, from here we can see we have to create a 10 mm circle, then we will draw one more circle of 20 mm. So here we will draw 10 mm and one more circle. Let's say it is of 20 mm radius, so it is 40 mm. Press enter. After this, what we have to do, the distance between the center to center distance is 100. So from here we will select this sketch dimension, select the center, and it should be 100. Now the next, we have to draw these two lines. What we have to do, just simply draw these lines in such a way, and one more line. Press cap. From here we'll select this tangent, tangent to this, yeah, this, and similarly tangent this to this. From select this. Now after this, what we have to do, we trim all the unwanted edges like this, and this one, this one, this one. Now you can see what we have created. We have created almost the same one. Now what we have to do, we have to first create this one. So the thickness of this one is 10 mm. Finish the sketch, select this one, go to this and 10. After this, what we have to do next, on this side we'll select this plane, go to create a sketch. Now as per the drawing, we can see what we have to do. We have to create this is 20 mm diameter circle, and this one is 60 mm diameter circle. So just select this one, select this. This one is 60 mm. Similarly, this one is 20 mm. Press enter. After this, select this, extrude, and select this one and extrude it up to. From here, we can see we have to extrude it up to. For this one is like 70, 60. So we can say it is 5 mm, and from here it is 5 mm, so we have to extrude it up to 5 mm. So just provide here 5 and press OK. Now the next what we have to do, we have to provide again in this side. For that what we can do, Just select this profile and this profile, extrude this profile, and extrude it from an offset plane that is at a distance of -15 and at a distance of 20 mm, we can say -20, and press enter. So we have created half portion of this one, and we have to provide this one, this this fillet is of radius 2. For that, what we have to do, just simply select this fillet command, select this one and this one, and provide a fillet of 2 mm, and press OK. You can see from this drawing it is 2 mm fillet. Now the next what we have to do, just simply we will construct an offset plane, and that offset plane at a distance of 20 mm from this plane, and press enter. So now you can see we have created this offset plane. After this, what we have to do, from here we'll select this mirror command, select this object and select this plane as a mirror plane and press OK. As you can see, we have created the same part what we have seen in this particular image. Also, there is some fillet at this position. For that, again, here we'll select this one, provide a fillet of, select this, this, this one, and we can provide a fillet of. From here, we can see it is 2 mm fillet. So just simply provide 2 mm radius and press OK. So now I think we have created almost the same object what we have seen in this particular image. Now the next or last, we will provide the appearance to this one. So this is the way how can we create such kind of component with the help of various commands available in Fusion 360. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Kindly subscribe my channel. The Telegram channel link also in the description box. Kindly join my Telegram channel